Hi and welcome to this Composite C1 video. Here I'll be demonstrating how XSLT developers can do pipelining in dynamic parameters in Composite C1. So in this demo I'll be using a few functions. One of them is the latest news table function, which takes a parameter that controls the amount of news items that get shown. Now in this demo I'll be hooking up this parameter to a dynamic value. So I'll just quickly show here I have my demo page where I've embedded a function call to the latest news table. I'll quickly go back to a source mode, and here we'll see the markup representation of my function call, calling the latest news table. Now I'm feeding that a news count value, which I grabbed from another function call, which is the ability to go and read integer values from the query string. And I'm reading a parameter named C, and if I don't find it, I'll return 5. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm showing the news table. I'm showing 5 news items unless a query string named C has been specified with another number. So let's go try that. So go to my demo page, and here we have the XSLT function call, and I have 5 news items. You can try and go and add a parameter here. So I want just one. We have 1 news item. I can even try to say 0. We'll get the no news available text. So now we've moved the control over the number of items to display to the query string, and we've done this without modifying the XSLT code at all. It's just the way that we're calling it. Okay, so let's look into pipelining. I have another function called transform content. What this does, it takes the news table and replace every second row, or adds a class to every second row, so I can do CSS that styles the table in a nice way. The way I do this is I've specified the function call here, set enable to true. That's a parameter I've created. And my other parameter I created is the constant parameter, which is I feed with the latest news table. Now if you compare this function call up here with this function call down here, you just see that they're completely alike. You can just quickly say that in this case we just want to have a default value of 3 news items. But otherwise, we are passing the control of the number of news items to the query string title C. Okay, so let's try to say that. Go to our demo page. Now if we refresh that one, we have a parameter here named C. So we'd expect to have 10 news items, and that's also what we're getting. But even though these are the same XSLT function calls, we have a different layout, and that's because I'm passing it through the transforming XSLT. Just to show you the difference of the default values, I remove the C parameter from the URL, and here I get 5 news items, here I get 3. Okay. So basically in Composite C1 you can chain your function calls. In this case, I'm calling a function which is an XSLT function. This is a built-in function in Composite C1 returning integers, and you can pretty much mix the things the way you like it. So it's reasonable to say that in Composite C1 you have very good tools for pipelining and dynamic parameters when working with XSLT. Thank you.